Hello everybody, myself Jyoti Mam from the Suraj School Rewari, presenting a lecture on the topic pH from the chapter 2 acid, base and salt of class 10th chemistry. Friends, first of all, what is pH? pH is the power of hydrogen ion present in a solution is called pH. किसी भी सॉल्यूशन में हाइड्रोजन आयन की जो पावर होती है वो उस सॉल्यूशन का पीएच कहलाती है. pH means the range through which we can find out that the solution is basic, acidic or the neutral. pH range is lies between 1 to 14, in which 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Here 7 pH denotes the neutral solution. Means the solution which have the pH 7 is neutral in nature, neither acidic nor basic. Whereas the pH lies less than 7 is acidic in nature and pH lies more than 7 is basic in nature. So with the help of pH we can judge that the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. Now what is the effect of pH in our everyday life? First of all, in digestive system. We all know that the dilute hydrochloric acid secreted in our stomach. Whenever the secretion of this dilute hydrochloric acid is in excess, it causes acidity. And to neutralize this excess amount of acid, to cure this acidity, a medicine takes that is known as antacid. Here antacid means ant plus acid, means the medicines which are opposite to acid. The medicines which are basic in nature are called antacid. The example of antacid is milk of magnesia or the baking soda, etc. The next one is tooth decay. Sometimes we suffer from the pain in tooth. Sometimes we suffer from tooth cavity. Friends, after the eating of food, some food particles left in our teeth which are decomposed by bacteria, and bacteria, after the decomposition of food particles, bacteria release some acid in our mouth which lowers the pH of our mouth. And due to the lower pH in our mouth, the pH of our mouth becomes less than 5.5. And due to this lower pH, the enamel, which is protective layer on our teeth, starts to dissolve in this acid, and which causes cavity in our teeth. Hence, to maintain the pH of our mouth, we need some basic substance. In the morning, when we brush our teeth, we use toothpaste. Toothpaste are basic in nature, which neutralize the acid produced in our mouth and maintain the pH of our mouth. The next is acidic or basic soil. We all know that the all living organism can easily survive on a particular pH range. In a field, plants, crops develop. If the soil of a field becomes acidic, then we should spread some basic substances in the soil, which may be quicklime, which may be slaked lime, or the powder of chalk powder. All these substances are basic in nature. So when we spread these basic substances in acidic soil of a field, it neutralizes the pH of the soil and it maintains its pH. If the soil of a field becomes basic, now we use some acidic substance to neutralize this basic pH. Here we use manure. When we spread manure in field, the bacteria decompose the organic matter present in this manure and acid release. Which acid maintain the pH of basic soil? Which acid maintain the basic soil? The next one is, the surprising thing is that the acids are also present in some animals, like the sting of honeybee or red ant. We know that whenever the honeybee or the red ant bite us, we feel swelling, we feel pain. Now what is the reason of this pain or swelling? The sting of honeybee and red ant have an acid that is known as formic acid. When these animals bite us, they inject the formic acid in our skin. This acid causes pain or swelling or irritation. So, to neutralize the effect of this acid, we need some basic substance like baking soda. So, after the bite of these animals, if we rub the baking soda on that place, then after some time the basic baking soda neutralizes the effect of formic acid and we get relief from pain or swelling. Here some plants also have acid or base. The stinging leaves of nettle plant contain some acid which causes swelling or pain. As nature provides the cure of everything, nature provides the solution of everything. Here the dog plant, the leaves of dog plant also have some basic substances. So if we rub the leaves of dog plant at the place of the where stinging nettle plant sting us, then it neutralizes the effect of acid in our skin and we get relief. Now the question arises that how can we find out the pH of a solution? For that we use universal indicator. It is an indicator which is the mixture of large number of indicators which provide different color at different pH. So when we add 1 or 2 drop in a solution, it gives different color according to the pH. Suppose if we add 1 or 2 drop of universal indicator in a solution and it gives green color, then its pH will be 7 and it is neutral, neither acidic nor basic. If we add 1 or 2 drop of universal indicator in a solution and it gives violet color, then it is basic in nature and its pH will be 13 or 14. That means it is highly basic in nature. As the pH range decreases from 7 to 1, its acidic range increases. Means lower the pH, more the acidic. And as the pH range increases from 7 to 8, its basic strength increases. Means higher the pH, higher the basic nature. Like if we add 1 or 2 drop of universal indicator in a solution and it gives blue-green color, then its pH range should be of 7 to 8, means it is slightly basic in nature. And if it gives yellow-green color. Then its pH range will be 6 to 7, means it is slightly acidic in nature. Here, our blood also slightly basic in nature. The pH of our blood is 7.4, means our blood is slightly in nature. Thanks and have a nice day.